Hello, hello, hello. Can you listen to my voice? Am I audible? Please confirm if I'm audible and that you can listen to my voice. Please confirm. Please confirm that I'm audible and you can listen to my voice. Let me look on my chart. Then I will be able to confirm myself. Wait for a minute. I'll just come. Hello, hello, hello. Can you listen to my voice? Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Am I am I audible? I hope you can listen. Now let's start. Let me initiate the broadcast with my Discord community, and then we will go live. Hello. So let's start our trading and keep an eye on the market. So we are trading a CFD account right now. I hope, because we are done with our futures account. Monkey with easy method. Oh, make money with easy method. Hi, hello, hi. Make money with easy method. How are you? Welcome on the stream. So let's see what we did after we closed our trade. The markets did exactly as I had said in the London session. We have our Asia high, we have our Asia low, then we also have our Asia high, London high. Where is London high? Let me mark out the London high first. So here we have our London high. We have our London high here. We have London high here. It's Friday, not so. It's Friday. Alt R. And now we have touched the 21st March opening price. We haven't even reached the today's evening price till yet now. And do we have our model? Do we have our model? Let's see if we have our model or not. We do have our model, but it's invalidated already. It's invalidated already. We have our model and it's invalidated. We have a liquidity swipe here. We had this liquidity swipe, so the market is most likely going to go bullish. Let's move this, and we have this structural shift. Let's see if we get a structure shift. Then we have a lot of liquidities. Market is likely going to go bullish and take out the London high first, and this is of no use. Sorry, this 100 fair value gap is of, it's overextended, I think, at this place. Okay, now let's just wait for the market to give a candle closer. Then we will know if we have a thunder FBG or not. Hello, make money with whatever is your name is. We are going to enter here. So let me put my entry SL and TP. Here is the entry. Here is the SL, and I want to risk like $50. Not, that's okay. Buy limit. Okay, so my reward will be 1:5. How about risking $100? That's a 10K account, and we go for 1:5. This is not even London high. We should aim for London high. Let's put another limit order of 0.1 here. SL same. So this is now. So where is the target? 4460 is the target. TP 4460. 4460 is the target. 4460 is the target. Here it is. Do we have a SL placed for both the trades? Yes. Now let's see if we get an entry or not. We have our Thunder FBG. We are bullish in the market, and now we are waiting for an entry. Let's do just a little this, so we can take set a TP for this one as well. Now that's not good. The market left without taking our entry. Let's look at MGC. Did it come to our entry? It barely came to our entry. The market just ripped off without taking our entry. Let's see if we get an entry or not. By the way, we are waiting for the London high to be swiped. on the gold, and we might look for lower prices. Then after that, let's look at US 100 and see how it is doing. Muffin, do you only trade gold? No, Muffin, I also trade Nasdaq 100 and oil as well. See, I trade US Nasdaq, oil, and even sometimes silver and USD JPY as well. Okay, let's see if we have any kind of structure here. The gold, the DXY is going up to take out these liquidities from above, so the gold can come down. So let's see if gold can come down all the way down here to this London low of March 23. So for that it has to take out liquidities from above the market. We have this inversion fair value gap. Let's see if it didn't touch it, but it did swipe out this liquidity from here, and I still want to see the market go up and swipe up the higher liquidities, but the market can reverse from here. Let's look at on 5 minutes time frame. Mm, should we go bullish or should we go bearish? I will say let's. This is a very big rejection, by the way, like a very big rejection, and I'm not interested in entering into any trades right now. Not for longs anymore. Not after this liquidity is swiped and we have this inversion fair value gap and this old thunder FVG untapped one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my orders, and if there is longs then I will look at it later, but for now I am going to remove my orders. I own sales now. Let's remove it. Now let's look at US 100 and see if we get anything. Yes brother, we have something in US 100. We have an inversion fair value gap as well as a breaker. The breaker is confirmed at this candle, so market can come at this inversion fair value gap. Now let's come at gold and see what we can trade. As I had said, the this pullback is not good, not looking good. We will go with this 100 fair value gap, and let's risk one. Is this time we risk 1% for the first time. We are going to risk 1%. Let's do little. For the first time we are going to risk a whole 1% into a trade, and let's see if we get filled in. Our entry will be somewhere here, our stop loss at the top of the previous candle, and we aim for, let's aim for ACL low of the day. That would be nice. ACL low of the day is 1:7, and below that is a lot of liquidity. Let's do that. Let's do this. How much? Where is ACL low? 43, 40, 43.68, 43.68, $800 suppose, and I say 43.68. Let's go to 43.60. It is there 66. For the first time we have reached 1%, and now let's see how this trade goes. But first we have to take an entry. We need an entry first. Let's see if we get an entry. Let's move this. Let's plug in the charger. My phone needs to charge. Let's see if we get filled in. And is anyone there? Is there anyone else in the on the stream, or just two guys? Let's look at MNQ. The MNQ came in and used the uh, breaker block to go higher. Here it is, breaker long. Now if we look for 1:10 on this trade, 1:8, we can get this 1:8 trade, but we have to wait till the opening of the market. We are already $900 up on this futures account, so we can't trade this anymore. But I'm interested in this gold trade more, and I want to get filled in here. This 1:75 trade. I can just make it 1:8. Now this is good. This trade, if we win this trade, we pass our phase 1 of 10k account that I have distributed in the community. For the first time, I have marked at least one whole percent. We are about to enter the trade. Like let's look at 5 minutes time frame. We are about to enter the trade. Yeah, we are in the trade now. We are in the trade now. We are in the trade. And now let's see how the market behaves. If you look on the 5 minutes candle, you can see how the market cleared the buy side and sell side liquidities from the marketplace at once. With two candles of 5 minutes, market cleared both buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. Let's look at 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame looks bearish as well. Let's look at 1 minute time frame. Let's look at 5 minutes on the MT5. We have our take profit at very low in the marketplace, like 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 too much low. If we win this trade, we just pass our phase 1 in just one trade. Do we have news today? Let's see. I think we have a news today. I think we do have a news today. Oh, the news is over already at 3 a.m. And now we have it at 10 a.m. at ugly and orange folder news, and this orange folder news should not give any kind of big uh, impact on the market. The market is going against us right now, but that was it. I wanted to go down. I wanted to take a trade, and I got a trade just as soon as I entered the markets. And let's see, we have reached 1%, a whole 1% this time. We will end this 30 minutes candle in just 2 minutes. Mhm. The gold is trying its best to break off this fair value gap, and if it does, then there will be no chance for our SL to be safe. Yes, I think it will take our SL. So risking 1% was not a good idea. But what if it was a win? We could have won in just a single trade. 4432. This is 4432. Yes, this is 4432. This is how the candlesticks are. This is the last minute to this 30 minutes candle. Let's see how what kind of candles are 30 minutes candle. Okay, so we are in the new 30 minutes candle now. The market tried and it to give a, let's see, CISD, and it's nearly succeeded, but I think the market will come down now. Let's look at just wait here, man. We are not going anywhere. Mafia, why such a stop? It's above 1 hour FVG. The price might test it. Why such a stop? It's according to my model, man. The stop is according to my model. That's why there is a stop. There is a 1 hour FVG. The price might test it. The price might test 1 hour fair value gap, but I go with my model always. So if the price decides to test the 1 hour fair value gap, then I am doomed or what? And if it doesn't, then my model worked and I got an win. That's all. I go with my model in no matter what is the situation. I only go with my model. The trading model that I have developed, I go with that. Let's look at the 1 hour fair value gap that you are talking about. So you are talking about this 1 hourly fair value gap, right? This one. Yes, the price can go to touch and retest it. The price might go to retest it. There is no doubt about it. But my model says to sell it from here and put a stop there, so I did that. Let's look at 15 minutes time frame. The price has already hourly. Look at hourly. The price has already retested it. Nah, it hasn't not been retested yet. Where is my marking? Also here it is. So the price might go to retest it. Okay, that's a good observation. The price might go to retest it, but it has to give a market structure shift in hourly time frame. And if it gives a market structure shift in hourly time frame, then the market will go up for the buy side from there on. And I don't think the market is willing to go for the buy side right now. The market is going for the sales as much as I understand. If a market give a body candle close above this on hourly time frame, then here is the hourly fair value gap. If it goes to retest it, then it will swipe out all these liquidities. That's a good observation, really good observation. But I only go with my model. That's all. I never think of anything else. If my model is there, I just get in. Now just wait and watch if my stop loss is taken out or if I get come in profit in greens. Wow, Maven is giving 100% coupon off. So if you are on my stream, just go to Maven's Discord channel. They are giving 100% coupon. I just go up. I just got a notification. Ah, why such a stop? It's off 1 hour. Yeah, I have already read it. I have told you the reason now. The market is going up again now, and it might take our stop loss. Yeah, this is going to take our stop loss. Gee ha! Market came on like 30 minutes time frame. Let me show you something. Market came to give an immediate rebalance. Here market came and give an immediate rebalance. Then it's now going up. maybe to test this fair value gap, as the person who said in the chat. Market failed to give a CISD here, and there is neither any fair value gap in this price run, so that's an plus point for us. And I think this is going to be a SL. Yes, we got stopped out. Risking 1% was a mistake. Let's see. So Muffin, you were right. I would look at sorts from hourly imbalance. Okay, let's see if there is an, what is this? Let's remove this. Let's see if their market retest this and gives a thunder fair value gap. Then we will also look for and sorts from hourly imbalance. For now, let's look at US 100. The market is moving down still now. We had this virtual trade which has been taken out. Let's look for this liquidity to be swiped out before taking any trades long. Just for you, I may fin. I will look at hourly candle now. I never used to look at hourly candle, never ever. But just for you, I will look at it. Let's move this and this as well, and this as well, and let's keep this loss. The higher it goes, the more it will fall. That's the logic. We had this trade like 1 is to 5. It could have been 1 is to 10. Again, we will. It fell from hourly imbalance, right? Yes. Let's keep the hourly imbalance and let's wait for the market to come to it. But if I want the market to go down, then I want the market to take out at least the London high. Only then I would look for the market to come down. This could have been a great trade if it had respected our levels, but we take losses. We all take losses, and I take losses a lot. Mhm. But they can go and take off the SE high and then sort. They are still equal at the tops. Yes, that is what I'm saying. The market can go to take out the SE high of the day. There is equally highs. So my sell belongs at this would have been invalidated as well. And then the shorts are also invalidated. Let's look at oil. We have an swipe of liquidity, then inversion fair value gap. The inversion fair value gap is being respected. The oil prices might fall down. Should we take this trade? Like this liquidity has been swiped. Then we have market structure shift. Looking at hourly time frame, we are not even close to this fair value gap. So I think the market will go up again still now to take out this Asia high. So I think the market is still bullish on oil. Dollar index. Dollar index has given a market structure shift. So if the dollar index is coming down, so the gold will push higher. So if the gold is going to push higher, so it might go to take out the Asia high. If it is going to take Asia high of 26th, it is 27th, man. If the gold is going to take out the high of that 27th, then we need an entry to catch this move. We over risked and we paid the price. Yes, bro, there are still equal highs at the top, which can be an attractive. Let's see if we can. We haven't touched this fair value gap yet, but we neither swipe this fairway in liquidity. I want this liquidity to be swiped as we mitigate. Only then I will look for shorts. Let's look at MNQ. That this the MNQ hasn't swiped out the liquidity below. MES, the same structure follows. US oil, well, the US oil is looking like to respect this, so it might come to this point. Is this one is to 10 RR or the one is to 5 RR something? Then I will take it. 1 is to 7 RR. So let's try this oil trade. Chart 1 minute. Oh, it's fell down already. We missed the trade. Let's take it like 1 is to 2. Stop loss above the here. Let's risk $50 to gain $100. Yes, let's risk $50 to gain $100 that we just lost. Hey, why can't I place a sell limit? Limit sell $50 in stop loss. it came to our price. Wow, 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 wow. So the stop loss becomes $32. Oh, we are filled in. I can't believe. So how much is our TP? Okay, so we haven't set the TP yet. The TP will be this place. It is $200. If you look at it 1 minute time frame, this is the place. Yes, this is the place, and that is the liquidity. We are in this trade now. This is just an intermediary trade, not like a time pass trade. I was not some. It is not something planned. I'm okay with this $34 of loss if we get loss, but my main focus is on gold. Let's look at oil and observe this trade was. This is our grab on liquidity. Right, grab on liquidity. Top right, black. Now let's see how it goes. Till now the trade is looking quite good. The markets, the all the candlesticks were respecting this inversion fair value gap, and I hope we get to take the TP because this will put me in $77 in profits after this huge loss that we made on gold. The gold is going up still now, and Asia high and London high might be taken out before giving a big fall, or this could be a bullish day all along. So we have London low as well. We have London low. I London low as well. Dixie is coming down, that's why gold is going up. Do we have any up scenario for Dixie? Yes, but first this liquidity must be taken out, and for that the gold will go up and clear the liquidity at the Asia and London high. You said retype, it just penetrated above the fair value gap. This 1 hourly fair value gap has no meaning now. We might take out a London high. Let's look at MNQ. So it's good now. The MNQ cleared the low. The MNQ cleared the sell side liquidity. It cleared the sell side liquidity, and now it is going to give a market structure shift. If it gives a market structure shift, I will trade with one micro. US oil is consolidating here. It is supposed to go down. Uh, what to say? Let's gold is the gold has taken out this liquidity and this liquidity as well. It might take out the London liquidity as well. We have a big stop here. what is happening with oil. The market is not going down. This 5 minute fair value gap is holding the prices higher. This 5 minute fair value gap is holding the prices up. We need to break this 5 minute fair value gap to go lower, and after this there is a free fall waiting for this trade. MES, MNQ, oil. So we are in last minute of this 5 minute candle, and I want this to break this low. Yep, it fell down, it fell down. That's 9 a.m. candle. Oh shit. Market fell down and just recovered. That's not good. Something. That's not good. That's not good. Come on, fall down. Something puts the market higher. Was there any news? Was there any news? At 9 a.m. there is no news at 9 a.m. Then what caused this price imbalance? We have no idea. We have this market structure shift in gold. So how much of losses are we are? We are $136 in loss. We can still take 1 300 or 200 plus losses. So we will risk again $100. 1 minute. Sell from here. Stop loss all the way up here. This will be the last trade of the day. Let's see if we get filled in or not. The drop of 4368. 4368. I think this much is enough. $1,000 is enough. 439, 436 is too low. Let's see if we get filled in or not. I don't think we will be filled in anymore. The market will fall now. Just the market will go for free fall now. Okay, now this is a good candle. It can move all the way up to the entry point. Let's see. The liquidity swipe is there. Structure shift is also there. But what I'm concerned about is all this uh, structures which has yet not been swiped, and the market is not going to take our entry, I think. Let's look at oil and see how it is doing. Oil just went up with this candle. I don't know what happened with oil here. And totally confused now. I might take a trade on MNQ to the long side. The dollar index is falling, so the gold might go up. Should go up. The gold should go up. What Australian dollar, Japanese yen, AUD Let's see. AUD Forex.com. D time frame. Oh wow, the market has been bullish since like whole whole year 2025, 2026. The market has been bullish, and we have a breaker now. Do we? Yes, so we have a breaker now after the whole 2 years of bull run. 4 hours time frame, it's looking bearish. 1 hour time frame, market is going bearish too. We did not have this market structure shift. 50 minutes time frame, we had this liquidity swipe, and then we had this thunder FVG, that is for the sell side. 5 minutes time frame, we are on bearish as well. 1 minute time frame, we swiped out we swiped out all these liquidities, and then the market structure shift is also there. We have this fair value gap holding the prices higher. Now what to do from here? Wait for the price either to cross this level or cross here. The liquidity swipe has been confirmed. I would say suggest you to take a short from this fair order block. The best I can say is suggest a short from this order block. Take a short from here, stop loss above this candle, this previous candle's high, so whichever is higher, and go for this low. This low is 1 is to 4. This low is 1 is to 6. Okay, this is your trade. Whoever asks for AUD JPY, this is the trade for AUD JPY. Yeah, I know we are talking about the hourly FVG, but the hourly FVG that you were talking about did reject the prices lower, and after then we again had this thunder fair value gap, which market has yet not mitigated, or we have failed to enter into this market with this entry. We have another. Now I have to look for another entry to go for shorts. Someone in the Discord asked AUD JPY. That's why I answered. Let me show you. Here, SachinM trades chat floor. Oh, so he's showing charts. He's not asking about it. Let's see if we get a fill in or not. By the way, we are done for the day in the London session only. We don't need any trades, but we are trading our new account. Mm, The gold is moving up, but will it take our entry? That's the question. The dollar index must be going down. Yeah, it is coming to take out this liquidity. How much are we in? We are in $150 in loss. You can still get the 50% discount on top of the account only for the first 1K accounts. Are you ready, guys? We are going to take in our entry. Dollar index took out this liquidity, and now the dollar index will come to take out this liquidity, might, and which will drive the prices higher. But now I want the dollar index to reverse and get up while the gold comes to my entry. Yep, the market is going up to take entry and might eventually take our stop loss. So we have taken the entry now, and let's see how the market behaves from here. The dollar index has taken out this liquidity as well, and I want this market to reverse from this suspension block. Let's come back at gold. Now let's see how it goes. We have done what we could have done, and I have done what I know. So if this takes our stop loss, then this will be our last trade of the day. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is going lower still now, so the gold will go up more. So we can't say that the gold will stop here. Should I cancel this trade now? Because the dollar index is just going bearish without any signs of bullishness. And if the dollar index does not go bullish, the gold will not come down. This could be just initial reaction, and then the prices might go up. Just observe the chart here, how it behaves. We also have this thunder fair value gap here, the bullish one. We want to see a penetration of this thunder fair value gap. I think I am at break even now. Yes, I am at break even now. At $140 in profit, I come to break even. As I said, we have to enter this fair value gap. This is another thunder fair value gap. But for the bullish side, we want to see this fail. I want a body candle closer below this. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index has begun to go up, and yep, 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 yep. This is what we called a candle. Up, it all rejected. Not good at all. The candlesticks are looking totally different. Why is that? Now it still this. Both the candlesticks are looking totally different. Do we catch this move? Do we catch this move? Are we going to catch this move? Tell me this. Just tell me that we are going to catch this move. Just tell me that we are going to catch this move, and just pass that this account just one trade. Just tell me that market is going to fall. Just tell me that market is going to fall, man. Are we really catching this move? Yep. Just fall down now. The market is about to open in just 4 minutes, and we are already our break even plus 1% in profit. The market is just falling. Oh yep. If we hit the TP, we will pass the count in just one trade. Then we will have to trade for more days. The market opens in 3 minutes, and we will see some volume. Then if you like the stream, please press that like button and subscribe to the channel. We are $400 up, means we are 2% up in the real account. We need only 8% to pass this account. To 1 more minute till the market open, and we will see some volume from the New York open. So I want to do this right now, like one. How much is this? $134, $140 in BE, so that if we hit our stop loss, we come to break even. As we had a loss of $140 in our previous trades. But what a candle drop! Okay, so our mentor has also started the YouTube live stream. Awesome, but I can't watch it. I wish I could watch it. Oh, just because I'm wishing I could watch it, the market just don't take me out. Market must be trading the MNQ. Let's come at MNQ as well. So we had this breaker here. At this candle, the breaker was confirmed. At this candle was the entry market. I'm sure the mentor, our mentor must have entered somewhere here, and our and their pupils must have entered somewhere here. And then the market is going for this nearest nearest liquidity, and this inversion fair value gap. And let's come to gold, our primary market that we are trading right now. It is looking some kind of bullish scenario is unfolding in here in our gold. The volume has kicked in. Awesome, 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 awesome. Great candle, great candle, great pull push back to downside. Great pushback, great pushback. The market has opened, and now let's observe NQ as well on the trading view and observe the what I say, gold on MT5. Where is TP? Use BE. No, no, bro, I can't use BE, because if I use BE, then if it hits my PE, then I will be in $150 in drawdown, and I want to we close the trade with break even. And about the take profit, here is the take profit. The take profit is at ACL low, that is 43.68. On this chart, that is 43.90. 43.90. Let's do it 43.90 here as well. 43.90, 43.90, 43.90, 43.90 here. The take profit is here, brother. 43.90.10. It's just 1:11 trade. 43.90, yes, yes, yet here it is. 43.90 is our take profit. We are already halfway towards our take profit. I can't use BE, because if I use BE, then I will lose $150 in stop loss that we had losing trades, the previous two trades that we lost, one on gold and one on oil. So I have to use like proper risk management according to myself. We are $500 up. If we do 500 more, then we go to $800. Our total take profit is $1,000. Well, we are trading that free 10K account that we have given in our community. The market might not come to the London low. Here is the London low. We are below. We are targeting. Our target is below today's London low. And how much pips is it? We have risked about 40 pips, and our reward is 50 500. Is this 500? Yes, it's 500 pips. Our risk is 40 pips, 40.45 pips, and our reward is 500 pips or 5,000 ticks. It's 9:34 a.m. and in India it's 7:04 a.m. Should we take some partials or let the trade run towards the TP? I don't want to take any partials, and I am not trading futures right now because I am done with futures trade. Uh, and you can use code SachinM on Wealth or Funded to get 25% off. You can also buy DNA account using the code FIND, FIND. Okay, so the good candle rejection we are getting, and gold. We want another fall of the same size, then we will hit our TP. Let's do it like 10 a.m. It might take some time to go to the TP. Well, like the stream if you liking my commentary and stream, and subscribe to the channel. We need another we need another 260 pips fall for our take profit. We are seeing some rejections from here. What level is this? Oh, this is the old support level. We are seeing some rejections from here. So what we also have this uh, this area rejecting the prices lower. Let's see if rejects the prices lower as well or not. or if we hit our BE, that is stop loss, market can reverse. Yes, the market can potentially reverse because it has taken out the liquidity from here. It has taken out liquidity from here, and it can still go to take out the London high. And this could become a thunder fair value gap as well. This candle could become a thunder fair value gap as well. So I'm afraid of doing B. I just want this candle to be red, and devour this candle. Only then there could be some chance, because if this candle ends up above this candle, then there will be a market structure shift, and the prices might get higher from here. Yep, we have a market structure shift. So we have this fair value gap, a dangerous fair value gap. Let's call it dangerous fair value gap for our trade. Let's name it. Let's delete this one. Let's call it dangerous fair value gap. DANGEROUS, dangerous FVG. This is dangerous FVG. This can drive the prices to all the way up to London high. Let's look at NQ, what is happening there. Okay, so the market cleared the buy side, then it went straight down. How much points did it move down to the downside? It moved 123 points downside, and then now it's again coming up. So where is the first presented fair value gap? This is the first presented fair value gap. Does this has volume imbalance? Yes, it does. I don't think it has a volume imbalance. The first presented fair value gap. Now it has taken the sell side liquidity as well from the marketplace. So it should turn into, it should turn the its yeah, price engine to buy side now, and it should go for buys longs, and go to touch the consequent encroachment of this regular trading hour gap. And as I had said on gold, this is dangerous fair value gap. This is very dangerous fair value gap. I will come in just 1 minute, please. So I have returned now. I had to close the door. A lot of sounds were coming from the kitchen. As I had said, this is a dangerous fair value of which we must surpass it in order to go lower, or this can drive the prices all the way up to London High. Yep, as I had said, this can drive the prices all the way up to London High. This fair value gap is driving the prices all the way up to London High. But the previous Thunder FVG is holding the prices lower. Nah, I don't think that it will keep the prices in its place. So I'll just keep the positions here. So I just like this. You can see I have $136 in losses. So $148 in losses will put me in BE plus $8 in profit, and that's all for it. We are $11 in profit now. At least we are above the break even. So if we want to take any kinds of trade, that's a BE trade. Here our B was hit. Let's do this and call it a right bottom BE trade. This was our entry for the longs. Hello Sumant, how are you? Look, if I use SL, then BE, then I will lose all the position, and then I will win drawdown. But if what I did was risk management, now I am $11 up. Okay, all I did was just some risk management. Now I will look for shorts only after the Asia high is taken out. Before that, this our my Thunder fair value gap is supposed to give 1 is to 5 RR. So did it give 1 is to 5 RR? Let me see. Stop loss here, stop loss before this candle, and 1 is to 5 RR. As you can see, this candle has already given 1 is to 5 RR. So it's my fault that I didn't take the profit out. That 100 fair value gap is 1 is to 5 RR model. It is not supposed to give 1 is to 10 RR or 11 RR, but it was just my greed that I did that. And it will also give 1 is to 10 RR from here, because this one is 100 fair value gap as well. 1 is to 5 RR, I mean 1 is to 5 RR. It will come all the way up here. It was my greed that got me nothing in this trade. I could have had like $500 in profit. That is $400, 4% up. I am also good, Sumant. Now let's look at NQ. We will plan our trade on NQ next. So where is the first presented fair value gap? Here is the first presented fair value gap. So we are going to take trade in NQ, US 100 chart, 5 minutes, 1 minute. What happened to US 100? Why are the indices not moving? Do I have to take another indices? NAS 100 cash. Okay, this is NAS 100. This is Nasdaq. This is not tradable. SPX. I will remove them too. So even NAS 100, here it is. I will just take a trade of one stop loss below the here. Let's take a trade of 2 3. Did it just penetrate the first presented fair value gap? I mean salesman. I'm sorry, I mean longs. I don't want to sell the market, I want to long the market. If there is no long scenario in the market, then I'm not trading. Let's go to regular trading hours and draw our fee from here to here. Use quadrants, and this is our target. Trade this 1 minute, just 1 minute. Let's just extend this pink line, give it 3 and delete this, and now come back to electronic trading hours. So our target is here. So we have a market structure shift, but there is no liquidity at one. If we look at 4-hour time frame, there is literally no liquidity below. If we do the same on here, there is, come on, there is liquidity, but it is far below on 4-hour time frame, and I don't think the market is going to fall that much today. Let's come back at gold. Oh, so the gold took a u-turn and come back to our thunder fair value gap. So let's enter into the gold trade. The gold has come back, then we will enter into the gold chart. This will be entry here, stop loss here, $100 worth of risk. Let's put the risk here. Let's increase this. Oh shit, we missed it again. TP will go $500. Oh sorry, 700, 1800. What, where is this? $800. Yep, it is possible. We have reached 1% again, and let's see if we get filled in or not. If the market is going to go down, then we will hit our stop loss. If the market is going to go up, it might take our entry and go up. See what happened. If see now, if I had traced my SL to BE, then I would be in BE, and plus my drawdown that that I had from this loss, and where it is, this loss. I could not have covered these losses, but because I trailed the SL where, let me show you. But I trailed the SL to here, my losses were covered, and I came above the profit, and I'm even in profits of $8. Understood now the risk management I did. MNQ, 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 why are you going down? Why are you going down? There is no liquidity below, except there is one liquidity below actually, but that is very, very, very far away. So we have entered the gold trade from dangerous FBG. This session is going really like very stressful for me right now. I want to see green candles. I really, really want to see some green candles right now. This is very tense moment. We have closed below the FVG, so I think the SL will be hit. That's why we should never do greed, like go 1% in risk and target the whole profit target of the one phase or two phase challenge you are in, and that's what happens. If I was in just $50 in a risk as my usual, then this wouldn't have happened. But let's see how it goes. This supposedly will go to a stop loss because the dangerous fair value gap has been invalidated. If we consider the weeks as well, then that is then it is not invalidated. But why to consider the weeks? Because we consider the weeks in thunder fair value gap, and this one is a thunder fair value gap. So this should drive the prices higher. double four double six is our, where is our entry? Exit, and let's mark on the chart. First of all, let's do this. Now let's mark our entry. 4425. 4425 is our entry. Stop loss 4419. 4419.08. Yeah, this is fine. 441908. 441908. This is fine. And TP is double four double six. Double four double six. Double four double six. It is too high, man. Double four double six. Double four double six. Double four double six. Double four double six. Here it is. Double four double six 81. Yes, here it is. That's it. This becomes 1 is to 3, 1 is to 6 trade. Any questions anyone having? uh, Bro, can you write where is the SL and TPR? Okay, let me write where the SL and TPR. Here, copy price, text, control V. This is entry, copy price, text, and paste. Copy price, text, and control V, paste. This is SL and copy price, text, and paste. And this is TP. TP is green, SL is red, entry is black. So is this okay for you now, brother? My fin, is this okay for you now? It should be okay for you now. Copy price, text, and paste. And this is TP. TP is green. I hope it was helpful for you. This is this standard fair value gap. Okay, okay, now that's a candle, that's a candle, that's a candle. Now we are in this trade. From here we want just move it. We are $500 or $600 in profit. We need just a little bit more to take out the London high and our to pass the account profit target. Hey, what is this, man? No, 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 no. You can't just reverse without taking out London High. You have to take out the London High. You have to take out the London High, brother. You have to take out the London High. Nice, brother. So how's the trade? If you like the trade, just hit TP. Hit win-win. Bright win-win in the chat. Yep. Now that's a candle. Now that's a candle. A good candle is coming, and another big candle is coming. Another big candle is coming. The London High has been taken out now, and I expect just one more big candle to the Asia High. Another big candle coming. Another big candle coming. 30 seconds of more. Just TP hit. It's about to hit the TP. We are at $700. We need just a little bit more. Another big candle coming. Another big candle coming. Another big candle coming. 10 seconds of more. Dhurandhar. Now this candle. This is a Dhurandhar candle. Let's call it Dhurandhar candle. Now just don't reverse from here, man. You just taken out the London High. You can't just return from the London High. This is a Dhurandhar candle. Dhurandhar candle. Let's see if it rejects the prices higher. I will place my SL just above this. So we will win 3% up in the. What is this happening? The market should not reject so violently. We have taken out London High. That's why the market is rejecting like this. But we will go still higher because SCI high is still there to be taken out. And if the market has decided to take out the London High, then it will also take out the SCI high as well. Our Russell will be here at $200. Let's call it Dhurandhar FBG. Dhurandar Dhurandhar FBG. Let's make it. What should we make it? Violent Dhurandhar FBG. Send to back. Hey, let's make a model called Dhurandhar. Sumant, thank you, Sumant. Thank you, Tread. Thank you for the compliment, brother. Oh, so. London High is taken out. The Dhurandhar candle is holding the prices higher. Let's see if Dhurandhar will deliver its Rahman Dakat. We have Rahman Dakat at 4466 level. Oh, come on, Dhurandhar. Take the Rahman Dakat out. We have a Mohawk here. I think this Mohawk is rejecting the prices lower. This is a Mohawk. And or is a digital rejection block? I don't know. I don't have knowledge of just two blocks. Those are Mohawk and rejection block. I don't know which what are those candles and how to recognize them. And I just hope this is not a cookie cutter model. If the people are short from London high, then they can easily win the trade. But why would the market makers do such a mistake that the market will reject from the just after taking out the London high? That wouldn't make any sense. I hope I don't get SL at like $228 after being in profits of $700 plus. Call you. Wait a minute, please. I will just come. Okay. The market is coming at our stop loss. The market is coming at our stop loss. The market is coming at our stop loss. That is not good. Go up, market. Please go up. You can't just reject from London high. That would be the most obvious trade for these so many traders. And such a mistake, I don't think you will make. Yes, the prices are now going higher. We expect this TP to be hit within one or two candles. We will close the stream after this TP is hit, or we will wait for. Wow, did you like it? See what the Dhurandhar did, bro. It's got it Rahman the cat. Let's see what happens. Just a little bit more, and we will hit our target. We have another FVG here. Here, this is small FVG. Who could this be? Who could this fair value gap be? SP Aslam FVG. We are fully set to take profit now. Just okay. Do we need any support from SP Aslam? We need just one more big candle to take out the Rahman Dakat. We are all set right now. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Yep, killed. Rahman Dakat is out. So how did you like my show? Did you like the show? Sumant, did you like the show? So we have surpassed the profit target for the day. For the day, okay, we have surpassed the phase one. Now we just need to trade 4 more days to face. Now we need to 4 more trading days to pass this step phase one of this DFT account. Well, yes, the trade was crazy, crazy, and let's look at NQ now and see how it goes, what it is doing. Uh, I am not interested in NQ right now. The gold was gold. The gold did everything that we had to do. Yes, bro. This is the I have hit my profit target on that 10K account that we were trading for the whole week, which is the wealth or funded account. And all I need to do on that account is that, let me show you. Uh, Here it is, that account, the wealth or funded account. I have hit the profit target. Yes, yeah, I think you won't be able to see it, but the profit target is hit. You can see the free margin level here. The profit target has been hit. So the I all I need to do is trade for 1 more day to pass this account. And this account that I was just trading was the DFT account that we giving for free. And we also passed this account today. So direct funded account. So we have also passed this account now. So we just need to trade 4 more days. And let me post this on the Instagram, and sorry, copy image. Let's post this in our Discord. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. I hope you got to learn something. Well, I'm closing the. Let's view chart. Right, I'm in MT5 chart now. Phone group will not be visible anymore. And let's go to our Discord channel. Who is this? Here it is, you Vortex. Here it is, you are. You will receive the account shortly, don't worry. The trade was a big win. Okay, it will count after the day. Let's trading chat and post our Dhurandhar stuff. And bye bye. Take care, Sumant, and everyone else. Have a nice day. And don't forget to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to buy an account, the link is in the description. You can get 25% off on Wealth or a funded account. You can get 35% off on Blue Guardian account, and if you trade futures, then you can get 70% off on Blue Guardian futures account. The code is also in the description, so don't forget to like the stream and share with your friends. Bye bye, tata.